This song has been in our minds this past few weeks. LSS ba? And sakto, it's called End of Beginning. January ngayon, which is the beginning of the year. And it's about to end. Diba?
Ako nakaisip nun.
Yabang.
Tsaka na, diba? Isa pa, end na rin ng bakasyon natin. Back to reality na naman tayo. Kaya yun, sinirit lang natin. Para sa'yo, ano mas maganda? Beginning o end?
Gusto ko yung idea ng beginning of life. Kung paano nag-umpisa yung araw, gabi, hangin. Kaya tayo, imagine pinagtatanong hanggang ngayon kung paano nag-umpisa ang mundo, but it's still uncertain. Parang yun yung magic na meron ng beginning. Ikaw?
Ganda nun. Ako naman parang beginning din. Kasi mapagparaya si beginning. Parang yung January. Kasi tignan mo, mostly sinasabi, Hello 2026, Hello New Year. Pero sobrang dalang makakita ng Hello January, di ba? We know that a year is greater than a month. Doon you can see yung pagpaparaya talaga ni January. It's willing to get underappreciated so that we can see greater things ahead. Pero parang maganda rin yung end.
Yeah, I think it's same with the idea you have. It's underappreciated din kasi halos ayaw rin ng iba sa end eh. You don't know what you get.
Tsaka sa end, dun mo may immortalize yung mga nangyari. Flashback niya lahat from the beginning. Yung mga memories, mga moments. Si end ang magpaparealize sa'yo kung ano yung value ng mga yun. Tsaka pag sa end, maghihintay ka na naman ng new beginning eh. So, panibagong excitement, diba?
For new memories.